guys, welcome back. In this video, we discuss about how to choose career in IT. How to choose career in tech. Choosing a career in tech can be a rewarding and exciting decision, but it can also be challenging to figure out which path is best for you. There are many different roles and specialities in the tech industry, each with its own skills, tasks, and goals. To help you narrow down your options, here are some questions you can ask yourself. What are you interested in or passionate about? Do you enjoy designing, coding, analyzing, marketing, or managing products? Do you have a specific domain or industry that you want to work in, such as gaming, healthcare, education, or social media? What are your strengths and weaknesses? What skills do you already have or want to learn? Do you prefer working with visuals, logic, data, or people? Do you like solving problems, creating solutions, or communicating results? What are your goals and expectations? What kind of environment do you prefer? Do you want to work remotely in an office or in a hybrid setting? Do you want to work independently, in a team, or in a leadership role? How much salary, flexibility, and growth potential do you expect? Based on your answers, you can research and compare different tech career paths such as UX design, UI design, web development, data analytics, digital marketing, and product management. We can also look at some of the best tech jobs in America in 2024, or take a quiz to find out which tech career is right for you. To get started, you can enroll in online courses, programs, or boot camps that teach you the fundamentals and skills of your chosen field. You can also build a portfolio of projects, network with other professionals, and apply for internships or entry-level jobs. Choosing a career in tech is a personal and important decision, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. By asking yourself the right questions, doing your research, and taking action, you can find the best tech career path for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.